India has finally got the precious trophy, the World Cup trophy. Gautam Gambhir has played a very instrumental role in this. After Sehwag and Sachin got out, Gautam Gambhir scored 97 runs. Right now, we're at his house and we've got his family with us. First, his father, sir. Your son has won the World Cup for India. He's played a very instrumental role. How do you feel?
It's a great moment for us today, you know.
When he was a child, did you ever think he's going to do something like this?
We never thought, but he did it by the grace of God.
And when you must have been very young, you must have seen, like I saw Kapil Dev with the World Cup trophy. And now, your son's going to be like holding that trophy amongst other players. How do you feel?
Huh? What are you saying?
How do you feel now?
How do you
What are you
feel?
asking?
It's a great moment.
It's a
No
great
doubt
moment
about
for us.
it. So if son does something, it's a great moment.
And he's done this for India, for more than 1 billion people.
Yeah, no doubt about it.
Well, obviously, his father's been talking to a lot of media people, and he's like, this is a great moment for any father, obviously. Let's go on. We'll take you around his house and make you now meet Gautam Gambhir's mother. Ma'am, Gautam Gambhir scored 97 after Sehwag and Sachin got out. You must be a very proud mother and an Indian right now.
I think the whole of India is very proud right now, not only me.
You're also wearing a T-shirt with India's flag on it. You've
Yeah.
obviously been...
I wanted to be there, but I just said I would wear the India T-shirt and support them from home.
How do you feel? When he was a child, did you ever think, was he good in studies or was he always into cricket?
He was always into cricket.
So when he was always into cricket as a child, did you think, oh, my son's into sports too much, he's not...
No, I think everybody has the potential and every parent should support the child to the maximum, because everybody can't be good in studies and everybody can't be good in sports.
Well, more than 1 billion people right now are celebrating this. And there was a moment when we all felt we were going to lose the match because Sehwag was out and Sachin was out. And then suddenly Gambhir scored 97. We all were broken-hearted because, he got out at 97. And
No, but as long as we won the World Cup, I think that is irrelevant.
well, a proud mother there, she says she allowed her son to follow his interests, even if he was not doing as well in studies as she would have wanted him to, but she was always supportive of the fact that Gautam wanted to play cricket and he always wanted to. Let's go in the house now and meet other people. Lots of celebrations here. Drums playing, people bursting crackers. His family is busy talking to the media. We will also make you meet lots of action here. Obviously, आप उनके अंकल हैं. कैसा लग रहा है इसमें?
बहुत मजा आ रहा है. जय हो.
जय हो.
NDTV's Cricket app. Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard. Special analysis. And much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.